Welcome back to the Discovery Workshop ASMR, and today I'm just doing a second maiden flight of my little ornithopter here. Yeah, because the last one was very brief and wasn't that great. I didn't fly it for very long. I guess there's a bit of wind, but this seems to have not as much wind, so without further ado I'll see how we go. So that seems to be flying alright. I have a little bit more control, I think, because I have the wind's picked up. Bugger. Yeah, it's hard to fly when the wind picks up, because you lose control and you're just going to get blown around. Yeah, these cheap ornithopters don't seem to have a great deal of control, because all you have with these little $30 ornithopters is this little piece for the rudder, and that's all you got really for steering it. So that's essentially all there is for controlling it. And so if there's a bit of wind, you just yeah. But I have flown this for quite a while before. When I was on camp, I was able to fly it for like half an hour or an hour or something, like non-stop, because there was no wind. So I mean, I suppose if you're in a like a big indoor tennis court thing or something, you'll probably fly one of these for ages. But you know, if there's a gust of wind, like, yeah, it just gets blown around. I'll try again. Here we go. I don't want to go over there. Try and bring her back. Losing control. Oh no, nah, too far away. Yeah. It was quite neat on camp, where there was like a morning I woke up and there was really no wind, calm, and I could just fly it around the whole campsite for ages. And I was like, wow, normally I can't control it this well, but yeah, that showed me the wind really makes a difference. With these cheap ornithopters, you lose a lot of control. I can feel the wind pick up now, so it's yeah, it's not going to be easy. It's just blowing into me at the moment. So I think I'll try one more time, and then call it quits. You also need quite a bit of space with these, even if there's not much wind, like your front yard or backyard. Not really a lot of space to try and maneuver it around. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, too much wind. And I'm not able to. No. I'm gonna call it quits here. The wind's just too up and down. These big football fields, they yeah, they have sort of the wind kind of up and down. I think the next one I might do where there's like, you know, in like more of an enclosed area where I can have more space and maneuverability. It's not a bad toy. Yeah, it's not a bad toy for the price. So yeah, I'll wrap it up here. Please like and subscribe, and over and out. Cheers.